I have created a new document with this size and I have removed the background of the image I'm using. Press Ctrl T to scale and choose Flip Horizontal. Move to the text tool and write your text. Change the text color to black for more visibility. Press Ctrl T to scale and follow this process. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer and follow this process. Hold Alt and click in between of the two layers to create a clipping mask. Choose the Add Run brush and follow this process. Now let's remove those black lines you are seeing. Create a new layer for drop shadow. Choose the soft run brush and make sure the foreground color is black.